One of the reasons why we are weak in thermodynamics and why we are weak in heat transfer is because we don't learn differential equations. We don't go through differential equation approach. We always want formula, 10th standard mathematics. Okay, because we are stuck in 10th standard mathematics, we don't have tools. It is like plumbing with your hands and teeth. You are not using the tools at all. If you use your tools, like when you're doing plumbing, you need a spanner, you need a what do you say, you need a glue, you need a spanner, you need all the tools, is it not? Without the tools, you think you'll do plumbing? Not possible. Okay, that is what you are facing nowadays. Okay, not because of lack of intelligence, lack of tools. Okay, so what we have got, Bernoulli, the Euler's equation, what we have got about Euler's equation is this. It is V dV by ds, and we will write this as 1 by rho dP by ds, steady case. Okay, steady Euler's equation, very important. Steady state Euler's equation. Okay. This has a relation with SFE students of thermodynamics. Steady state Euler's equation. Okay. So steady flow energy equation has a relation with this. I will establish that later on. Okay. Plus G dz by ds is equal to 0. Now here, let us integrate. When you integrate this, you get the Bernoulli's equation. Integrate. When you integrate this, what will happen? This can be written as integration of 1 by rho density. We will take it constant because it is for incompressible steady state. Incompressible flow, not incompressible fluid. It may be a compressible fluid going with incompressible flow, just like air. Okay, air is considered to be incompressible flow. Okay, in general thing, when you consider even you're going in a bike. Okay, if you're not going above 300 kilometer per hour, okay, below this air is incompressible. Okay, so we will have dP by ds plus integration of V dV by ds plus integration of G dz by ds is equal to 0. Or we can write this as, this whole thing as, okay, integration of density can go, there is a rho density here. I'm sorry, students. There has to be density. No density. Okay. So density goes off, and what density can be, okay, this can be written as integration of dP by density, integration of dP by density, okay, plus we can write this as V square by 2, because pressure may depend on a lot of other things. Okay, uh, dP by rho is for, if it is incompressible, then we can write it directly. I'm sorry. If it is incompressible, we are considering only incompressible. So we can write P by rho V square by 2 plus Gz is equal to 0. Correct? Or we can write in another way as P by rho G plus V square by 2G plus Gz. I'm not, sorry, not 0, it's a constant. Okay, G plus Z is equal to constant. This represents my Bernoulli equation. This is our Bernoulli's equation. Easy, students. Now we will understand this Bernoulli's equation. This is very, very simple. You know these things, correct? But the understanding is something which we have to go. Another 5 minutes more I will take, students. Okay, yeah, it is on time. Okay, simple. You know this. This is something which you know every time. Okay, I am not doing something which is not known to you. It is known to you, right? Now, one by one, we will see what are these. What is P by rho G, students? Okay, let me write it here. What is P by rho G? P by rho G is called the pressure head. It is called the pressure head, correct? V square by 2G is velocity head. Okay, Z is, what is Z? Potential head or datum head, is it not? We can say potential head. What is C? C is the total head. Correct, students? Simple. Now what is head? Inta tale mara idu. What is this head? Okay. Anybody other than Ashutosh? Ashutosh, Megha, and Divya Mani, please don't answer. Others. Head. What is head? What is head? Anybody knows? I want to know. What is head? What is meant by head? I'm saying pressure head, velocity head, potential head. But what is head first of all? Is it not? Yes, Ashutosh. Ashutosh is there? No? Come on. Ashutosh is not there? Okay. All the other students have left. Divyaraj, Dayananda, Chetan, Anil, Akhtar. Oh, nobody is there who has attended. Okay. Maybe they felt that it is done, so no, okay. Fine, don't worry. Okay. So now, what is head?
Head refers to height, or
Head
it is
refers to
distance.
height. Other than
It is the height, or it is something like height, height or length of the component.
no, it is nothing but energy per unit weight. What is head? Head is, I'll write in the next slide. Okay, it's energy per unit weight. That's it. Okay, now let us go further. Here, let me write it here. What is head? Head is energy per unit weight. Okay, now let us consider this again. Okay, so 2g, correct? V square by 2g, correct? Okay, fine. Okay, now let us consider again here. Okay, energy per unit. If you say potential head, this is a question which comes a lot of times. People will say about height and all that. This is simple, student, but people don't know this. Okay, I have demonstrated here only, right? So potential head. Potential head is nothing but potential energy. Potential energy. This is what the companies expect you when to know. Okay, but because our education system is so bad. Okay, unit weight. What is unit weight? Unit weight, you can say in terms of density into gravity or mass into gravity. Correct? Mass into gravity. So what is potential energy? mgh. Correct? Divided by mg. What is that? H, no? Height. Correct? That is potential head. What is kinetic head? Kinetic head or velocity head. Okay, is kinetic energy. Kinetic energy per unit weight. Unit weight, very important. Unit weight you can consider in terms of density into g also you can consider, but let us consider unit weight. Yes, mg, mass into gravity. Correct? So now when you see mass into, what is kinetic energy? Half mv square. Correct? Divided by mg. What is that? It is v square by 2g. Correct, students? V square by 2g. Correct? Now, next one, we have pressure head. Pressure head. What is pressure head? Pressure energy per weight, which is m into g. Correct? Now, what is pressure energy? How do you represent pressure energy? Anybody? How does, this is thermodynamics, okay? So if person doesn't know thermodynamics, this cannot be answered. I wanted to test Ashutosh on this, but still he's not there, okay? So what is pressure energy? Anyone? How can you represent pressure energy? The people who know thermodynamics will understand. Now, you have something called enthalpy. Remember, students, enthalpy? Okay. So what is enthalpy? Enthalpy, H, is nothing but internal energy U plus P into V. Correct? What is V here? Volume. Observe, pressure into volume, is it not? So what is this? This is internal energy that comes due to temperature. What is this? This is called flow work. Flow work, where pressure is making the work. Pressure is expanding. So if you have a what do you say? If you have a piston and a cylinder arrangement, okay, you put a thing here, and what happened? You pressurize the gas. You say P is more than P atmosphere. It is P atmosphere here, okay, and you have a pressure. When you take this out, what happens? This expands, is it not? By what level? It is integration of P dV. That is the work which is done, right? So what is there? Flow work is nothing but P into V, pressure into velocity, correct? Pressure into volume, correct? So here you will have pressure into volume, current. Current is gone, students. We'll switch off this. Okay, divided by Ng. You will see what is this your mass by volume. Mass by volume is P. Mass by volume is density into rho g. So it is a pressure head P by rho g. So understand, pressure energy per unit unit weight, kinetic energy per unit weight, and potential energy per unit weight makes up the this one. Is it clear, students? Any doubts here?